Hello everyone, welcome back to another recently frequent unboxing video from myself, Milton Washington Tech 1999. I'm going to go ahead and open it up from the top on the back side because I don't want you guys seeing the front side and I don't have a pen to cross out the credentials, so yeah. I prefer my privacy. But anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this recently special item to me. If that even made sense at all. Which probably didn't, but oh well. Forget about that. That's it for the bag. Here's what you guys are really here for. This is the LaMetric time Wi-Fi clock. Should I say smart Wi-Fi clock? Very much so. Here's a look at the back. See side. Not quite sure if I want those barcodes exposed, but oh well. Other side. Which is in multiple different languages. This is the top. And this is the bottom. Works with If This and That and SmartThings and also Alexa. All directly. Not quite sure about Alexa direct, but I guess we'll find out. But anyways, without further ado, let's crack open the plastic and get this thing over with. Alright, I have the keys. And let's crack into this baby, shall we? There we go. Alright, slide open and see what we have. Of course the speaker itself is on the very top. I'm thinking about putting it right up here, where everyone can see it. Here's the back with the LaMetric logo, as well as the focus, as well as the micro USB port and the headphone jack. Here's the front display. Underneath the clock is the quick start guide. And if we open up the box further, of course, looks like we have a US style power adapter. Looks like we have one of these connectors. I believe this is a Euro adapter for it. Then this, which if I can get it out at least. There we go. I believe this is a UK style adapter right here. And lift it up. Looks like the only thing I need to get out is the micro USB cable, which is so conveniently hidden in there. See? There it is. Looks like we got everything. Just go ahead and set that up there right now. Let's go to our main items. So I don't need these. Don't know if I need this right now. And I definitely don't need the plastic. What I do need though is the speaker and the cable. I also need this S8 to focus. Alright. Slide off the plastic, if possible. That's how you do it. Of course you have to get the tape off first. Alright, there goes nothing. We're on. Whoops. Static electricity, gotta love it. Alright, here's the top button to press OK, I believe. It's just an affirmative command. You know, left and right buttons. Power button off to the side here. Volume up and down, as well as the speaker. Other speaker. The back of it once more. I believe this is a motion sensor right up here. Yes, excuse the mess in the background. I'm still unloading stuff in this room. Anyways, let's go ahead, load this up, plug it in, and see what we're dealing with. So, depending on how well this micro USB port looks when it's cable managed, might as well take it from the alternate location and plug it in, power it up right here. In now. And power button. Let's click it. There we go. That's pretty cool, honestly. It's kind of out of focus because the screen is diffused with this layer on it. So underneath this little silk layer, it's just the LEDs and boxes, basically. This is to make the LEDs, of course, not look as rough. It's probably obvious. I guess I should stop talking and let you guys see what the heck's going on. Pretty sure it's asking me to push to the right, maybe? No? Okay, I should probably connect to it in the Wi-Fi settings, and I will get back to you guys shortly. This is a long-awaited update for the LaMetric Time smart clock. Everything is set up. It's actually been a few months since I've updated this video, since it is already September. See, there's so much different. So, I said this was a motion sensor. That was a stupid assumption. This is a light sensor. So that it can automatically dim the display when no light is detected or light is low in the room. So anyways, I'm not sure why it's frozen on the screen. I have it on auto scroll. And it looks like it might be frozen. But it does scroll around normally. It's just going through my recent emails right now. But I have stuff like Twitter followers, Instagram followers, YouTube subscribers, YouTube views for my most popular video, the Mount Rainier eruption EAS scenario, and so on. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will get back to you guys shortly with more uploads by the middle of September, if things work out. This is being recorded on September 5th, 2017. I think it's about 3 months later or so that I forgot to film this. Oh well. Anyways, see you guys later. Thanks for watching again. And this is Milton Washington Tech 1999 signing off.